He must score, surely. It's Messi. Great goal. And that is a fantastic goal. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. Few fancied them to win today, but they've taken the lead with that goal. Good distribution. That's nicely played. It's Messi with the ball. Ibrahimovic. Good ball. Here's Van Dijk. Oh, it's a clear chance. Oh, and they've drawn level. Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues. And it's anyone's bet which way this one will go now. And that's lofted upfield. Oh, that's well played. Oh, good save by the goalkeeper. It's the upright, booted clear. He's headed the ball forward. Finds his teammate. Volley forward. They're appealing, but he's onside. That's his second goal. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal. Oh, a thoroughly deserved lead. You just knew that was coming. Alisson collects. Goalkeeper plays it to his teammate. Good distribution. Oh, and dispossessed there. Played back to the goalkeeper. It's Messi with the ball. They're appealing, but he's onside. Top class finish there. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Great first half. Let's hope for more of the same. It's a second half. Some fresh changes have been made. Here's Van Dijk. Won the ball. Now it's Griezmann. Neymar. What an opportunity! And he scored! Oh, pick that one out. Rocketed into the top corner. It's 4-1 now. Here's Varane. The goalkeeper eases the pressure. Rolled out by the goalkeeper. That's good link-up play. Bonucci. Full tackle there. That'll be a booking. Yellow card. Mbappe. Just the keeper to beat. That's a crack. He got a good hand behind.